In this video, we will go over how to personalize your Gmail signature with some images. First, you'll want to open up your Gmail and open up your settings. Once you're in your settings using the gear on the top right, you'll scroll down to your signature. You'll need to first enable it if you haven't turned it on yet. And then yours will probably have a blank white space. You can just type directly into this using the settings that are available. But if you would like to have an image in there or change some of the fonts, there are two ways that you can do this. One is with a Google Doc and one is with a Google Drawing. My example here has some clickable icons that will take you to my social media pages and my website. And I did that using a Google Doc table. So you want to open up a Google Doc and insert a table. So here is my example that is complete. And it's actually a table. I've hidden the border width. And so to start, you'll go over and insert table. And you'll choose however many rows you need for the information you would like in your signature, with your name and title and any qualifications or your phone number that you would like to have in your signature. You can adjust the rows for any size for an image on the left that you would like, and then you can go ahead and type in the information that you would like to be included in your email signature. Now once these are completed, I need to merge the cells on the left to make room for my image, so I'm going to highlight those, go to Format, Table, and Merge Cells. And then I need to insert my image. It can be any image that you would like, or one that you've designed, or just an icon. You can search in your drive for an image that you have saved or one that you have saved on your computer. Once you find it, then you can insert it directly into your table. And then you can resize it so that it fits a little bit better in that space if you would like. Now I have already added in some social media icons above, so I'm just going to copy and paste those for time, but you can find social media icons on Google that you can copy and paste free sourced ones in below, and I added in links to each of those. You can change so that your name's a little bit bigger so it stands out as your signature. So each of those icons has a link. I clicked on them and went up and clicked on Insert Link and copy and pasted the link to each of those pages so that each of those, when clicked on them, they will take you to those links. So now my signature is put together and I need to hide the border width. So I'm going to go up here to the right and change that to 0 points. So it's no longer a table visible. And I'm going to highlight that and copy and paste it into my signature space. And now my email signature looks like this. And I would click Save Changes at the bottom to update it. And all of those little pieces are clickable links below. Now the other option is in Google Drawings. And this one's nice because I can choose different fonts. With the Google Doc, the fonts are limited to the fonts available in Gmail, where if I choose a Google Drawing, I can choose any of the fonts available in all of Google. So just like before, I would insert an image and then insert a text box instead of a table. And here is where I will have access to all of the fonts and I can change what those would look like. And it can change the size so that it fills the space on the Google Drawing, and then download it as a PNG file. This will put it on my computer as an image. So now in my signature, I want to insert image. I'll choose that PNG file from Upload, click that file, and it will bring it in as quite a large image. And so I will want to click on that and make it a little bit smaller. The original size is too big, so I'll click large, and it will fit in that space quite nicely. So now you can see the fonts remain the same because it's an image. Now, unfortunately, this means that I can only make it clickable once, so I can highlight that image and add in a link to maybe my website, but I won't be able to have those social media icons below it like I did in the Google Doc. So that's the limitation with the Google Drawing. But if I just want it to be my contact information with my phone number, and I want it to be nice, pleasing fonts, then the PNG Google Drawing is the way to go. But if I would like to have some more information with those clickable links to all of my social media and websites, then the Google Doc would probably be the way to go, because that allows for all those separate links. It's a little bit clunkier, but I am able to have all of those different links in my signature. But if I want a little bit simpler and a little bit nicer looking, then I can do the Google Drawing and have it just be one image. And you can see as I bring up a new message, my signature is now in the bottom and all of those are clickable. If I click Save Changes, it would update that in the new message to the image. Now you can try out a Google Drawing or a Google Doc to personalize your Gmail signature.
Don't forget to subscribe to the EdTech Team YouTube channel right here and check out the next video in our playlist.